What is up, everybody? DJ Martini, Midwest Reviews and Tutorials. Today's tutorial, I'm doing a Stacci Auto. Basically, it's the air filter for a 2022 Rogue, and I'm going to show you guys how to get it in. It's not too bad, not too shabby. You guys can do it yourself. So let's go ahead and get started. There's the air box is right here, a little dusty and musty, but we're going to go ahead and hit these two clips right here. I don't know if you can see these two clips. Make sure you wear some gloves because this engine is super hot when it gets warmed up. But look, boom, it's right there. So we're going to go ahead and kind of grab it. And you see mine's a little bit dirty. They recommended me getting it tossed out. And then we're going to grab the one that came in this kit right here from the Stacci Auto. Like I said, let's see how good it fits. Goes in the same way. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Then we're going to just go ahead and clip those. Boom, there's one. And there's two. And once you clip those back on and it's all in, you're good to go, and we can move on to the next step. Now I'm going to show you how to get to that cabin filter in your 2022 Nissan Rogue. So you have to, I would get everything out of your glove box so you can kind of see that it's very tight space here. There's barely enough room to get in there, and that little door is where your cabin filter is. You can see that there's a little tab on the end. We just need to get that tab, push it in, and pull that out. So the easiest way is to get your fingers back here and grab it with your thumb and your index and push with your index and pull with your thumb. And you'll get that to come out like that. And there's the door. And you barely have enough room to pull this air filter out. Notice the arrow down for the airflow. And this thing is pretty nasty, actually. We got the new one here. This one has the arrow right here on the side, so we'll just turn it sideways. We can get that back in there like so. You see it in there. Now on the very end, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this on camera, but there is a little, there you can kind of see it on the end, plastic slot. For this piece right here, see that plastic slot? And we just put this in the same way we took it out, but we're gonna put that, and you'll feel that little piece go into that plastic slot. All right, we can see we got that door back in. Everything's closed and secured. All we gotta do is put everything back in your glove compartment that you had, and you can close that door, and we're all done. This has been a quick demo on the 2022 Nissan Rogue for your cabin filter and for your air filter. All right, good luck out there.